Annoying.
Hello and welcome to horrifyingness. I don't know what's going on.
We got 3 levels, we gotta get 20 stars. It's not gonna happen because there's cannons on all of them. Let's see if we can do this.
I know a cannon we still have yet to beat.
I will murder you. Repeatedly.
Jose, we only spent like a half an hour on it. And we got really close.
Hang on, wait, before we do anything, can I do something real quick? This has been proven possible. Fuck. Okay, hang on. You gotta do this. I just have to do this. I saw the guy do it, I wanna do it. God damn it, Mario! Mario? Okay, you know what? Fine. You be the star of the show.
Well, it is my game.
Just stepped on my head and launched me to outer space. So I kept them in my secret hiding place.
Jose, you know what area we were really good at, but we never actually completed? The one with all that water.
We were good at the stage.
Yeah, we were good at one stage. Jose, a single stage. Wait. What's this sign say? Forget. 2 flower pipe sewer. Okay.
Why are we in here in the sewer?
Because we have a level that we're actually good at, and we should probably do our best to complete it. That jumbo. Oh yeah, there's one over here too, that we never actually were able to go to.
I have the pipe system, right?
Yes, this pipe system over here.
Oh. Now, DJ Luna Pop Go. Sorry. Also, apparently in the comic books they made a reference to Ed and Eddie.
I love that. Luigi, you might want to stop. You're gonna get in the way. I'm taking the camera.
Ah, no, I crashed! Hush now, quiet now, it's time to let it be. Wait, what?
Oh, it might have recognized Mario. It's Mario's time to shine. You did it last time. My turn.
I was best fun. Eddie.
You've got
You got a
black flap. It's Luigi's time to shine.
Is it? Is it really? Can I really? Do I get my own game? No, quiet now.
Your turn.
Wait, what was it? Oh! Like a reed.
Like a reject. Walking like a reject. Jump. Walking like a reject. Like a reject. God damn it.
Why you do this?
So close.
Yeah, so far. We tried so hard. But in the end, it almost mattered. Not quite. Not political issues.
Alright, backflip.
Oh no! Almost, not quite.
Alright, my turn. Think Mario can do this? Yeah, hush now, quiet now, it's time to go to die!
Go to hell. Now, quiet now. No resisting the chains. Now, quiet now. We're taking you to hell.
Come on!
Somebody sent me 5 Nights at Freddy's.
Jose, you better do a Let's Play.
5 Nights at Freddy's? That's the only game I can run and I don't want to play. DJ Rainbow Pop, no! Hey, it's Luigi! Mario, you're such a retard. Let me teach you how the real professionals do it. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Oh shit, oh, sorry. I had to be professional and all. Alright, so first, you're gonna want to get... Okay, you already activated the thing, so... Please don't run out, Middle Cap.
Go.
Oh no! Why? Why do hitboxes act so cray-cray?
Mwah!
Why do hitboxes act so cray-cray?
No! Don't fix the camera for me. I want the camera my way.
I don't like your way.
Who's the star of the show here?
Not you. Give me that backflip, though. Give me that backflip. There you go. Okay, so take a right.
Alright, I need to figure out where the hell I'm going. Okay, so.
You want to take a right. Alright, be careful. Now, yeah, you want to go through there? And ta-da! Hey, buddy. What you gotta say? Did we...
We did it again! We did it again! Hold on, do not leave. There was a way to reset it, you know. Well, you can rejoin.
Oh my god, it looks like domestic violence.
I'm just punching him.
No, it looks like you're gonna like punch him. And Luigi's is like, hey guys, what's going on? So I'm just looking off into the distance like, hi guys!
Alright, get back in here.
When will you be?
Get back in here!
I said, when will you be when diarrhea hits?
Get back in here!
But...
Get back in here, get back in here.
But I need them wub-wubs though. Do you promise to have orbital wub-wubs available?
Yes.
You pinky promise?
Cross my heart, hope to fly, stick a cupcake in my eye.
You actually did it.
I know that, I memorized it. Why wouldn't I?
Ladybug? Ladybug.
I don't know that one.
Really? Come on.
I don't know Lovely Cadence, I'm sorry. I prefer Pinkie Pie, because I can relate to her, because I am a hyperactive child.
I play the game while on Google Chrome. That is amazing. I can browse the internet while you do stupid crap. If I can actually see.
No, back to doing orbital wubs.
I'm trying to get my orbital wub-wubs to work like wub-wub-wub.
Whoa.
Alright.
Learn how
to wub-wub.
Oh, that's not what I meant. I was talking about learn how to pipe.
Best. I like how it's not known as dubstep, but wubstep.
Jose, I've gone through pube step, where your balls just drop and do the wubs. Jose, do you want to do the Bowser Secret Star?
Yeah, sorry. That music was way too loud. Alright, let's talk to that mother frickin' toad.
Frame rate is dropping.
Sorry. The orbital wub-wubs wait for no one. Hey, where are you? Where are you jumping to? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Because I still have the thing activated for me.
Okay.
The timer is linked to the first person, and then the timer doesn't reset for Luigi. I see you!
That's freaking horrifying. Wait, what? I didn't even jump!
Well, guess what time it is? It's Mario's time to shine!
Sorry, I'm listening to music. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Luigi on the job. Our maximum warp rate has been reached. Oh god, don't crank it up to max.
Crank that bitch to 11.
We can only go up to 10. I know what I said. Mario!
Shit, I can hear Luigi boiling. Wait, you're boiling? Shit, you're on fire, Luigi. You're on fire in the middle of the ocean.
God freaking damn it!
It's funny how the past few episodes we've been.
Our enemy is boxers. It's amazing. It's beautiful. This is majestic. It's a new level of bullcrap. Boxers can kick our ass. Where's the suicide button?
Mario's already attempting.
What flavor of bleach do you want?
Do you have cotton candy?
Yes.
Do you have bullshit?
Well, we can try.
No, I didn't mean really. Luigi, go, 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 go! Camera set up. Go, 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 go.
Professional mode, go! Nope. Professional mode, go! Fails instantly.
Luigi, you're not a professional and you know it!
God damn it, don't tell me what I can't do! I'm Mama Luigi for a reason, you know. Takes skills to be a mother.
Mario's turn.
Nope. I just dropped on your head and I'm
You kicked my ass so hard, I kissed the moon.
There's the moon!
It's not a troll anymore. It's just an annoyance.
I know, but it's my annoyance. And I have copy, damn it. I have copy, damn it. Wait, how did the game pause? What the hell's happening?
It's flipping out because we're doing too much shit to it. Something tells me you're gonna need an actual true emulator restart after we get this damn toad stool.
Watch him just be like, hey, let me give you some advice. Just do a backflip, please. There you go. There you go, you little frickin' crazy ass son of a boy.
Does that pipe actually lead anywhere?
Nope. Just keep her moving. Just keep her moving.
Don't go next to that toad. Let Mario talk. I'm
so glad to see you, Mario. Missing my jumping lessons really backfired. I came in here searching for a star for you, but I couldn't reach the pipe to get back out. Anyways, you may as well take it now that you're here. Please give me a boost onto the pipe too. No, we're gonna let you eat your own feces in that corner.
Here we go.
Wow, you bet. Mario, stop walking on Toad's feces. I like how we leave him to die. Can you give me a boost out of here? No. Death. So, where shall we go next, my adventurous friend?
The next episode, because this emulator needs a restart. Because they can see the frame rate and it's dropping.
That Toad! I mean, that Goomba has no legs. Now it has legs. You saw that,
We'll see you
right?
next time. Bye!